Differentiation, let's find higher derivatives. So what are higher derivatives? Well, if we have the original equations here, and then the first derivative here, then higher derivatives are the second, third, fourth, fifth derivative, etc. Now the way to write higher derivatives, if we focus on the blue one, is d squared y by dx squared equals, then it will be the derivative of the first one, because this is the derivative of the derivative. So this will be 120 x to the 3, and that'll be it. If we need to find a higher derivative, it will then be d cubed y over dx cubed, which will be the derivative of the second derivative, which will be 360x squared. Looking at the white question, the derivative of f dash x would then be f dash dash x. And the next derivative would be f dash 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 x. The orange one would be y double dot equals, and then the next one would be y triple dot equals. And here are the derivatives all solved. So let's do a question now. Let's find the second derivative of y equals 4x to the 7 plus 3x plus 19. Well, firstly, we want to differentiate this question. So we'll be left with 28x to the 6 plus 3. Then we want to differentiate this again. So d squared y over dx squared equals 168x to the 5, which is our final answer. So we found the first derivative, and from that we can find the second derivative. Here's 3 questions for you to try. Pause the video and resume when you're ready. Find the second derivative of the following. For the first question, we'll have dy over dx equals 5x to the 4 minus 24x squared. Then the second derivative, d squared y over dx squared equals 20x to the 3 minus 48x. The second question, dy over dx equals minus 2x to the minus 3 minus 9x squared, and the plus 8 has cancelled out. And the second derivative is d squared y over dx squared equals 6x to the minus 4 minus 18x. There's our final answer for the second one. And finally, for the third question, let's find the first derivative, which is dy over dx equals 51x to the minus 4. And the second derivative, so the derivative of the derivative, d squared y over dx squared equals minus 204x to the minus 5. And that's all there is for high derivatives. Remember, if you want to find the third derivative, you find the derivative of the second derivative, etc, etc. Feel free to check out some of my other videos. The next video in this differentiation series is using a table of derivatives, or using given derivatives. Stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.